guess it was a little scary knowing that, in my opinion, some of the testimony that the jury has to go out with is, in my opinion, incorrect. But I have to have faith in them, and I know they're all very, very capable people, and they're all going to do the right thing for James. And we just have to wait now. We've been waiting a long, long time, 8 years of all kinds of waiting, and finally it's going to be over soon.
Mr. Walker is certainly feeling the pressure. In some respects, he's glad that the time is here for a decision, because, as you can imagine, this has been hanging over his head for a long period of time, and he is, he's apprehensive in terms that his fate is in the hands of 12 strangers. So he's quite concerned. He's confident. He's confident that he should be acquitted, but like anyone else in this situation, he is apprehensive.
I guess I feel relief that don't have to go through all the courtroom stuff again. We just have to hope that the right things are being listened to by the right hearts.
Before heading into this trial, had you spoken with your client about the possibility of manslaughter being an option in this?
Oh yes, we've discussed all of the options: guilty of murder, guilty of manslaughter, not guilty. All of those things are discussed between us.
Was pleading guilty to manslaughter ever an option?
I can't discuss that with you. It's as to whether it was or whether it wasn't.
Just explain to people what manslaughter means, the difference between manslaughter and second-degree murder.
The difference between murder and manslaughter is whether you intended to kill the person. If you cause someone's death by an unlawful act, let's say you punch them and they fall the wrong way and they die, that's manslaughter. Whereas murder means that you're meaning to kill them, to end their life.
What would be the follow-up if he was found guilty of manslaughter?
Well, if he's found guilty of manslaughter, I'd make an argument that the time that he's already spent in custody is more than sufficient in this case. But you can get up as high as a life sentence for manslaughter, but it would certainly be, I expect, something a lot less than life.